To all English teachers, especially English teachers in senior high school, I want to ask you something. Have your students ever complained to you that learning English is too difficult or sometimes quite boring? If they did, here I will inform you there is one learning strategy that is not only effective but also very fun to do, namely watching movies. I took this information from a paper entitled Learning English Through Watching Movies for Senior High School in Classroom, that written by Mr. Rido Kurniawan and Miss Melissa Ariani. Through this paper, the writers aimed to providing information about how English movies are used as an attractive strategy to teach English to senior high school students. Besides that, this paper also states the benefits of using English movies as an attractive teaching and learning strategy. So, without any further ado, let's discuss it over. In the implementation, before we start conducting teaching and learning activities by using Western movies, there are some points to consider. Firstly, we should choose the movie that's suitable for senior high school students. Secondly, we should be careful to play a movie containing a certain religious or race issues. It aims to avoid misconception and misunderstanding among students in responding to the movie. Thirdly, we must edit the video first because it is not possible to watch the whole movie in the class. Fourthly, we should be creative in relating the movie and the topic discussed based on the syllabus. For example, when the basic competence states the topic discussed is asking for information, then we can play a certain scene which shows how people ask for information. Thus, there is no doubt that the movie are support the syllabus. The next point is we should be able to divide the time as best as possible. It will be better if the time is not full just used to watch the movie, but there is time left for discussion sessions. And last but not least, we should consider the existence of supporting media to play the movie. In the application, we can use English movies to teach listening, speaking, writing, grammar, and we can also introduce new vocabulary for students. In listening skill, since the movie also produce audio elements, so through movies, students can increase their listening skill. In speaking skill, through movies, students can hear the correct pronunciation from the dialogue between the actors and the actresses. Then they can imitate it. In the writing skill, students can write the dialogue from the movie, then try to check the grammar, diction, and spelling. In grammar skill, same in writing skill, they can write the dialogue. After that, they can correct the grammar or try to guess what grammar they use. For new vocabulary, students can take notes for words that is unfamiliar to them. Then, after the movie is over, they should search the word in dictionary. Furthermore, learning English through English movies also has other benefits, namely, students can learn about English culture. So we can conclude that watching movies can be one of the most effective learning strategy. Besides being fun, watching movies also bring many benefits, such as being able to increase students' listening skill, speaking skill, writing skill, pronunciation, grammar, and also vocabulary. So what you waiting for? Let's prove that learning English is not always difficult and boring. Let's show that the ordinary things can be extraordinary when we use it properly. Same with watching movies, which are usually considered mere entertainment, but actually there is educational value there. So it's all for me. Thank you for attention. See you.